Hey all, it's me, Lamar Champion. I'm standing here in Silicon Valley. Why? Because I can. This morning, I had a thought. Does this generation just think there's an app for everything? Need a ride? Get an Uber. Need a burrito? Grubhub. Want to talk to somebody? Snapchat. Who has time for a real conversation? And anything printed on paper might as well be printed on dinosaur bones. And I understand you want to distance yourself from the old folks that think an app is just short for a delicious piece of fruit. Things like buying a house and Social Security, them's old folk ideas. And we're always thinking that technology will solve all of our problems. Big mistake. Apps may assist, but there is no app for world hunger or climate change or social injustice. Unless you can get your iPhone to suck up carbon emissions. Feel free to write that one down. Maybe we could learn how to work. Maybe we could do some real innovating. Maybe have some community with real people. Maybe that would augment your reality. I'm Lamar Champion. These are my morning thoughts.